penis copter. Shit. Shit. Here we go.
It's good?
Helicopter penis, yeah. Here we go.
Oh,
Do you have any ibuprofen?
Yeah, that shit was actually funny, bro. My gloves are wet.
quick trick to make yourself recover.
Hey, give me Ollie. Oh!
Got it.
This is part 2 of the penis helicopter. Penis copter. Roof shopping cart. You're not gonna make me wet. Shit. Here we go.
Oh shit!
Is it good?
It's good.
Fuck. This is helicopter penis.
Wait, hang on. Fuck. Nigga, what?
This is helicopter penis. Helicopter penis, yeah. Here we go.
Very different perspective on this shit. It's all up to
Oh, the cat's hunting. Where's the cat? Oh, the cat's back there. You guys see him? He's trying to hunt. I saw a dead bird back down the block, bro.
I don't think he's gonna pounce on him.
I don't think they're really gonna do none. Yeah, they just loafing. Look at this, your mama,
Can't climb the tree.
Look at Garfield.
I don't think that's
Aww.
all.
Yeah, that's the type of cat I would
Oh, it's a
have.
woman.
Yeah, that's the type. How do you know? How do you
Nigga,
know,
look.
bro?
Nigga, look.
All I see is asshole, dude.
No
What the
nuts.
fuck? No nuts. Okay, I can see that. Dude, that's the type of cat. That's the type of cat I would freaking get, dude. Or like one of those gray-looking cats. I'll get like a fluffy fucking cat. Whoa. Yo, ain't that the? Yo, isn't this the cat from Alien?
Its nose is all fucked up.
Do we know the cat from Alien? Is this what the cat from Alien looks like?
No, he says
I don't know.
Has anybody watched the Alien movies?
Oh.
Is that the cat?
Maybe it's like a guardian angel or something. I don't know.
We're gonna fucking die. A guardian angel?
Oh yeah, right.
Yo, his nose isn't fucked up. He just has a pattern on his nose.
He's trying to get up there. He's just trying
What is he trying to get to?
Man, this cat sucks.
What do you mean this guy?
I mean, what the fuck you want him to do? A fucking magic trick?
Yes.
I got fucking cat in the hat, bro.
Like he wants to look. I think he's about to do it. He's about to.
He's climbing.
Jump!
the tree.
Hey!
Oh shit, he's really up there.
Up.
Oh, he went down. Damn. Damn.
When it's time to go to bed,